I mean, we say that oil is in the $65 to $85 range, that there are forces that will keep it from exploding to $100 a barrel unless some big geopolitical turmoil happens. And right now we're seeing next for 2022, Omicron, of course, is out there, but Brent about 75 and WTI about 72. And I think the point he was making is a very important one. The U.S. is back. For the last year and a half, it's been OPEC Plus, it's been running the show. But U.S. production is coming back already, and it's going to come back more in 2022. And it's going to be, could be as much as 900,000 barrels a day. So that is a change. And I guess the other change that's so interesting to me is that a Biden administration that wasn't at all interested in oil at the beginning of its term earlier this year, in the last few weeks has turned around and is asking the U.S. oil industry, having asked OPEC Plus to increase production, now asking the U.S. industry. I've been on 2 calls with the Secretary of Energy, asking the U.S. companies to increase production. And that, of course, is because the Biden administration is so deeply concerned or alarmed about inflation and about its political impacts in the 2022 election.
Now, Dan, I wanted to talk a little bit about the geopolitical construct when it does come to energy. Obviously, oil was the key battleground throughout the last century, but I suppose for the next 10 years, do you think that gas or nat gas, whether it be what Russia's doing, whether it be what China is trying to do in terms of their geopolitical construct, gas is the new battleground, at least for the next 10 years as everyone transitions?
I think that oil demand continues to grow, and I think oil will be pretty central, but gas is certainly, as you're suggesting, is going to become a lot more important. And exports of gas to Southeast Asia will be particularly significant and one of the changes in terms of pushing out coal. But if we look at Europe right now, with the rising tension between Russia on one side and NATO, Europe, and the U.S. on the other side, natural gas certainly plays a very important role in there, and much debate as to how Russia is integrating natural gas into its overall political strategies.